Looking at historical data, I think that Tesla stock price is gonna hit. Hey guys, my name is Ryan, and 2 days ago, Tesla officially joined the S&P 500, which makes it the largest company ever to be added to the index. Tesla has been having one heck of a year and has grown over 730%, which is the best holiday gift that any of its investors could ask for. And it doesn't show signs of stopping. But now that Tesla's in the S&P 500, there's a lot of speculation on what's next for the company and what's gonna happen to Tesla stock. While Tesla shares have had some massive gains this year, there are a lot of different predictions from different analysts and banks about what the future is going to hold. So in this video, we're going to talk about a brief overview of Tesla, what it means now that it's in the S&P 500, and what my thoughts are on Tesla's stock price for the future. But before we continue, and if you're new here, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button because it really does help me out. I make videos on personal finance and investing, but I also like to make content about spending money on things that give you good value in your life. If you're interested in watching more videos about lifestyle and personal finance, please consider subscribing too. But enough of that, let's hop right into it. As we mentioned before, Tesla is the largest company to ever be added to the S&P 500, which is essentially an index or a collection of the 500 largest US companies. If you're not familiar with what an index is, you can think of it like a big fruit basket that's holding 500 fruits, and Tesla is just one tangerine in the whole fruit basket. Despite all the craziness in 2020, Tesla's been having an amazing year and is entering the S&P 500 with a market cap of $659 billion, which is nuts to think about. And according to MarketWatch, this means that Tesla will be the 6th largest company in the index by market value, so Tesla's coming in like a truck. We can obviously see that Tesla is massive, and it will be about 1.6% of the S&P 500 too, and that's a pretty substantial weight for a newcomer to the index. But what does this mean? For some more context, an important date to note is November 16th, 2020. Oh, 10 days before Thanksgiving. Yes, but November 16th was also the day that Tesla was announced to join the S&P 500. We can see that Tesla has been continuously going up since the announcement, and it doesn't show signs of stopping. Man, that's stuck in my head now. Why do I keep saying that? And last Friday, December 18th, was the last day before Tesla joined the S&P 500, and as we can see, there's a super high trading volume because everyone wanted to get in on the action. At least someone's getting action around here. With a company as huge as Tesla, there are a lot of changes that come with including it inside the S&P 500, but one change that's always welcome is smashing the like button and changing it from gray to blue. To start, adding Tesla to the S&P 500 is the largest rebalancing in its history. While that's a big change in itself, the addition to Tesla will also cause all index funds that track the S&P 500 to buy tens of billions of dollars of Tesla stock. But if these indices are buying billions of dollars of Tesla, that means they're gonna have to sell billions of dollars of other company stocks in order to balance out. And in my opinion, a quick disclaimer is that I'm not a financial advisor or a financial professional in any means. I'm just a guy on YouTube, and these are my opinions for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. But in my opinion, this is going to cause quite a bit of volatility for a short period of time, and we've seen this before, even earlier this year. As we mentioned before, Tesla's had quite a roller coaster of a year, and two of the most notable events have been their stock split and their battery day. For both of these events, there was a ton of hype, and investors were trying to get in before they both happened. However, we can see that right after both these events happened, Tesla's stock price fell because the hype was over. And in the same sense, Tesla being added to the S&P 500 is the same kind of deal. Since November 16th, the stock price has been climbing and climbing because everyone is excited. But I think that we'll see some pullback for a little bit once the hype dies down. There was a ton of news about Tesla joining the S&P 500 that led to a huge surge, but we'll probably see a correction now that it's already happened. Looking at the long term, this shouldn't be a big deal though. Personally, Tesla's one of the largest positions in my portfolio, and I'm gonna continue to buy and hold because I believe in them over the long term. Alright, done with this. If you ask me when's the best time to buy Tesla, nobody can time the market, and honestly, I've never tried to time it perfectly when buying. At the time I'm recording this, Tesla is just under $700 a share, and while that might sound high, I'm looking at the long-term potential of the company. I've been dollar cost averaging into Tesla for a long time, and I plan on continuing that for years and years, just like hitting the like button. News about Tesla's stock split, battery day, and S&P 500 inclusion made the stock price go up, but it's impossible to know what's going to happen afterwards. There's a huge range of prices that a lot of banks and analysts are predicting for Tesla stock too, but at the end of the day, it all depends on you. In my opinion, Tesla is a great long-term hold because they're leading the EV market and they do so many other things aside from cars. But speaking of cars, the Model Y came out recently, and we still have the Cybertruck to look forward to, and I'm sure that there's gonna be a lot more in the future as well. Nobody knows what the price is gonna be, but make sure that you do your due diligence and really think about whether you believe in Tesla enough to continue dollar cost averaging in despite all the ups, downs, and headlines along the way. Even though we may or may not be seeing a correction now that Tesla's officially in the S&P 500, I'm holding for the long term, and I'm gonna continue to buy and hold for a long time. Tesla is now in the S&P 500, but that doesn't change my approach to how I'm investing in it, and I hope you enjoyed this look on what it means and what I'm doing. Leave a comment down below on what you think is going to happen to Tesla stock too. But if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button so that YouTube knows that people enjoy content like this, and I would really appreciate it too. And if you really enjoyed this and my bad singing, please subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing in the future too. If you want some free stocks that can be valued up to $1,600, click the link down below for Webull. And if you're interested in fractional shares and getting 10 free dollars, click the link down below for M1 Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you stay financially fashionable.